Hi, Brandon Lewis here from Embedded Computing Design, and we're here at the NVIDIA Endeavor offices in San Jose, California, and I'm here with Dale Guidu of SICK Lidar. How you doing, Dale?
Doing great.
Excellent.
Yeah, thanks for coming.
Oh, thanks for coming. So we're here looking at some of your products, but first and foremost, can you tell me why you're involved at the NVIDIA Jetson Developer Meetup today?
Well, SICK has been one of the pioneers in LiDAR, and so we're invited here to show off some of our late LiDAR sensors which can interface to the NVIDIA platform.
Very good. So can you explain a little bit about some of the use cases of your LiDARs and some of the performance levels?
We have a whole range. For the very small ones, can be used on mobile platforms, both for anti-collision and ranging information, and they can do navigation mapping around warehouses, so ranges from 10 meters, 25 meters type range, and then we can go out to 60-meter range with 4 layers for other anti-collision and detection ranging operations. And then finally we've got, for longer range, ones that go out 200 meters for as well for navigation and for detection of objects.
Very good. So obviously the correlation with Jetson here and NVIDIA is being able to process and filter a lot of that data that you're pulling in off the LiDAR sensors.
Right.
So Jetson TX1, Jetson TX2, they recently just announced Jetson AGX Savior. Why do these LiDARs need that much performance? Are they really generating that much data?
They stream a lot of data. Our new 24-layer ones is streaming very high, dense point cloud, and so you have extreme high amounts of data, and so you need a very highly developed processor to be able to handle that much data.
That's very good. Well, where can people find out more information about SICK LiDAR?
Go to sick.com and go to our website. You see all our whole product portfolio, but if you put in LiDAR, you can go to some of the products specifically for that.
Very good. Well, thanks a lot, Dale. And if you need to get healthy, go to sick.com to find out more.
Thank you.